Hello guys, hello everyone, it's Peter here from Inte.Team and bookrepair.online.co.uk. So guys, we've got a job 1062, I don't know if that will see, 62, yes, 062. So the problem only is that I was fixing D-pad, on this one. So the bottom here, those who are watching the videos, following the channel, they will know this, other people don't. So the problem was that the customer came that there are certain issues with certain things, and the bottom in the D-pad doesn't work. It's clickable, you can hear, yes, but it's not working, yes. So I've replaced D-pad, okay, with a new one, and it's still the problem still exists. So what I found is that the hamburger menu button is constantly on. When I will press share button and hamburger menu, it will switch on permanently D-pad down. When I will press it, I think 3 times, it will switch off permanently D-pad down, and the process can be repeated, but it's useless. And I was trying to update the firmware, no updates for Elite 2 controller. I was trying to reset it, yes, like a single button and the power. That didn't help, yes. So unfortunately, it is what it is. Can't be done anything to make it working. And I've said it has to be a fault with the hardware, most likely. I've checked as well with the app from Microsoft, the gamepad app, accessories called Xbox accessories or something. Nothing can be made. There are 3 profiles for this controller, default one and something else. Doesn't matter. So customer, after knowing what's happened, I said, do you want me to proceed with the repair? And customer said just to leave it. So if anybody had experienced the same thing and had it fixed, please let us know down in the comment below. Otherwise I will call it a no fix, and unfortunately with this one it will be picked up by the customer, so I can't spend time and learn why that button is permanently on. Excuse me. The hamburger menu, and why I can't press the down on the D-pad. That's all I wanted to share with you guys, as little as 3 minutes. Again, if anybody knows anything about this type of fault, please comment down below. If you had any other issue the same with buttons and that was resolved or not, comment down below as well. Maybe you had different buttons. For sure there has to be a controller responsible for pressing button and reading inputs, and that controller should have some specification, like the impulse from the button should come in, you could press it and confirm it, and if you see that the impulse is working, then there should be something like opportunity to read if that signal is working, yes, like at least by a meter or by oscilloscope or by anything you should be able, and then you should be able to see if the controller is responding. If the controller doesn't respond, then you know the controller chip on it is faulty and need to be replaced, or maybe there is some other component on the way, which I don't know. I would have to further diagnose it, but as customer want to pick it up, just said quit. That's what can I do. I had as well new Elite rubber, conductive rubber for it. I was just waiting on it from China to make sure that maybe if I will replace the rubber, but this didn't help. So the rubber, I can have my one back, but I can't, I won't unglue my D-pad. I will just give it to the customer with the gamepad. But that's everything, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you don't mind, please leave me a like button. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.